Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a cheek massage for boosting circulation. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, so you want to do a cheek massage to yourself for boosting circulation. You can also do this to someone else, but at the end of the day, honestly, it's easiest to do it to yourself or just to instruct the other person on how to do it to themselves. Okay, it's really easy to do, and it basically requires almost no skill. So what you want to do is very simple. I'll explain it, and as I'm explaining it, I'll demonstrate each step, and then I'll just bring it all together as sort of one example towards the end. So basically, the first thing that you want to do and know about is that you have to gently use your fingertips on each cheek. So you're using your fingertips, not your whole hands, your fingertips. Okay, you can use 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, all 5. It doesn't really matter, but it's the fingertips because you want those pressure points right there. The fingertips on each cheek, and you want to do this gently, not roughly, but gently. Okay, now with the fingertips gently on each cheek, the next thing that I want to say is you want to use an upwards circular motion. Okay, so you want to use an upwards circular motion. And what I mean by upwards, like, because you can say circular this way, you're going up on this side, or you can say circular this way, you're going up on this side. So you can go up at the back or up at the front. Okay, the idea when I say upwards is that's where you're getting a little bit slightly more pressure. So basically, if I'm going up at the back, I'm just going to go upwards with a little bit more pressure and then downwards with a little bit less. Up with a little bit more, downwards with a little bit less. I can do the same thing going upwards at the front. Up with a little bit more pressure, down with a little bit less. Up with a little bit more pressure, down with a little bit less. So that's what I mean by upwards. There's slightly more pressure in the upwards portion of the circle. Okay, just like this. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see over here, or the other way. Very simple. The last thing I want to say is that, generally speaking, like using your hands as is are totally fine. But what you can do to just add a little level of emphasis on it and maybe increase the circulation slightly is you can actually rub your hands together to make them warmer and then do the circular motion. Rub them together to heat them up and then do the circular motion. So like this, you warm up your hands, circular motion. Warm up your hands, circular motion. Warm up your hands, circular motion. The warm hands, the warm fingertips is going to be slightly better at boosting circulation, but it's not going to make a massive difference. So even if you can't do the hand warming up part, honestly, it's not that big of a deal. It's just like sort of a bonus. But that's it. So essentially, you want the best way possible. It's going to look like this. Okay, that's what you're going to be doing. And if you want almost the best way possible, like the second best way, it's just going to look like this. And you can go sort of forwards and backwards. And then you want to go the top of your cheeks, right? All around your cheeks, even down here to the bottom of your cheeks where like your jawbone is, where your jawline is, around there. That's the idea. And fingertips and gently, not a lot of pressure, very gentle. But honestly, that is truly it. It's actually really easy to do. And you can boost your circulation in your cheeks by doing this simple, like fingertip massage on your own cheeks. Really easy to do. And honestly, I tried to explain it and showed you how to do it, and hopefully you liked it. But I got nothing else to say, so it is time to roll this outro. Here we go. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.